Welcome to the live bench evaluation of Renesas Quick Connect Beginner Kit 1, Reality AI for Microphone Demo. This is the Renesas latest development project using cutting-edge technology of artificial intelligence on edge devices. The setup consists of Renesas RA 4E2, MIC PMOD, and Wi-Fi BLE-DA 16600 PMOD. The setup consists of a speaker from where audio is being played, which can be sensed using mic module. Setup also includes microphone from which user can be able to hear to the audio being played through Live Bench Live window. The Renesas Quick Connect Beginner Kit showcases the capabilities of the RA6E2 MCU, running AI algorithms directly on the microcontroller using Reality AI, a powerful cloud-based software toolchain for developing AI algorithms that can run on edge devices. This setup can recognize the frequency of an audio signal using an AI algorithm embedded in the MCU's firmware. It also includes a MIC PMOD microphone IC to capture audio and a DA16600 BLE Wi-Fi PMOD module to enable design control through Wi-Fi. But don't just take our word for it, experience its capabilities firsthand with this live bench evaluation platform. Select frequency generation to evaluate a range of standard audio signals with different frequencies. Select a frequency audio file from the provided list. Click on the Play_Audio button to begin the evaluation. Watch the entire lab setup in action through a live camera feed. Click on the speaker symbol to listen to the actual audio being played. The frequency graph container displays the frequency components of the audio signal being played. Here, you can observe the waveform of the audio signal, visualizing its shape. Once you have reviewed the results from the execution, click on Stop_Audio button to conclude the evaluation. Click on this window to view the result of the frequency recognition in action. No more waiting for the results. LiveBench displays live graph plotting of the audio signal that is being played, giving you instant insights.